Welcome to Vietnam, a beautiful country in Southeast Asia full of stories, flavors, and surprises. Vietnam has a long and exciting history. For over 1,000 years, it was under Chinese rule. But the Vietnamese people never gave up. They became independent in 938 AD. Later, they fought the French and became a colony. Then came the Vietnam War, which ended in 1975. It was a very hard time. But Vietnam didn't stop moving forward. After the war, Vietnam was poor and damaged, but the people worked hard. In the 1980s, the country made big changes. Today, Vietnam is growing fast, with big cities, technology, and tourism. Vietnamese people are warm and friendly. They often smile and love to talk with visitors. Most people speak Vietnamese, a beautiful and tonal language. It has 6 tones. So, one word can have many meanings depending on how you say it. Vietnam is full of traditions. One of the biggest celebrations is Tet, or Vietnamese New Year. People clean their homes, wear red clothes, and eat special food to welcome good luck. Are you hungry? Vietnam is a food lover's dream. Try pho, a noodle soup with beef or chicken, or banh mi, a sandwich that mixes French and Vietnamese styles. Don't forget spring rolls and strong Vietnamese coffee. Want to visit? Here are some top places. Ha Long Bay, with magical limestone islands. Hội An, a charming ancient town with lanterns. Hue, the old capital with royal palaces. Ho Chi Minh City and Hanoi, busy, modern, and full of life. Oh, and don't forget the Cu Chi tunnels, used during the war, and you can even crawl inside. Did you know? Vietnam has over 54 ethnic groups. The world's largest cave, Son Doong, is in Vietnam. Water puppetry is a traditional art form. The Vietnamese flag is red with a yellow star. Red means revolution. And the star? It has 5 points for workers, farmers, soldiers, intellectuals, and youth. So now you know Vietnam is more than just history or war. It's a country full of life, flavor, and heart. What surprised you the most about Vietnam? Comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this journey, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next video.